Are you looking for the best wood lathe to take your woodworking projects to the next level? Whether you're a beginner learning the art of wood turning or an experienced craftsman creating bowls, pens, furniture parts, and decorative pieces, choosing the right wood lathe can make all the difference. In today's video, we'll review some of the best wood lathes available and help you find the perfect machine for your workshop. We'll compare performance, power, build quality, ease of use, and overall value, so you can make an informed buying decision. From compact benchtop models ideal for hobbyists to heavy-duty professional lathes designed for demanding projects, we've researched the top options to save you time and money. Be sure to watch until the end, because we'll reveal our top pick and explain which wood lathe offers the best combination of features, reliability, and value. You'll find links to all the featured products in the description below. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss our latest tool reviews and woodworking guides. Let's get started and discover the best wood lathes you can buy today. Number 1. Powermatic 209BHH. Looking for a powerful professional grade planer that delivers exceptional surface quality and precision. The 209BHH 20-inch planer with helical cutter head is built for serious woodworkers, cabinet makers, and professional shops that demand outstanding performance and reliability. Powered by a robust 5 HP motor and operating on 230V single-phase power, this heavy-duty planer handles hardwoods and large stock with ease. Its 20-inch planing capacity allows you to work on wider boards, making it ideal for furniture building, cabinetry, and custom woodworking projects. The helical cutter head design provides smoother finishes, reduced tear-out, quieter operation, and longer cutter life compared to traditional straight knives. With multiple carbide inserts, maintenance is simple. Just rotate or replace individual inserts when needed. Built with durability and accuracy in mind, the 209BHH features a heavy cast iron construction that minimizes vibration and ensures consistent results. Whether you're dimensioning rough lumber or putting the final finish on a project, this planer delivers the precision and performance professionals expect. Powerful 5 HP motor, 20-inch wide planing capacity, helical cutter head for superior finish quality, reduced noise, and tear-out heavy-duty cast iron construction. Ideal for professional woodworking shops. Check the product link in the description below for current pricing, specifications, and customer reviews. If you found this review helpful, be sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more woodworking tool reviews and buying guides. Number 2. Jet JWL 1640 EVS Wood Lathe. The Jet JWL 1640 EVS is a high-quality choice of woodworking lathe for those looking for something to add to their workshop. However, it is also compact enough that it can be transported between rooms. This will also satisfy those after a heavy-duty wood lathe, with the cast iron construction making it particularly stable, even working with larger materials. With 36 indexing positions, you also have plenty of options for completing precise finishes and intricate finishes with your materials. The variable speed range will also impress, with enough variety to fulfill any DIY or woodworking project. This woodworking lathe also features a tool rest built into the leg, providing you with easy access to chisels and other essential woodworking items. The digital readout panel will also give you a clear idea of the speeds you are working at. The tailstock comes with Acme threads, providing particularly smooth movements as you work. A spindle lock is also included, providing essential clamping functionality to ensure you maintain high levels of precision when turning material. The inverter is also fully enclosed, adding to the overall durability of this lathe. Number 3. Grizzly Industrial T25920 Benchtop Wood Lathe. This 12x 18-inch wood lathe from Grizzly Industrial is a reasonably affordable choice for those looking for premium wood-turning performance. With its powerful single-phase motor and variable speed controls, this lathe provides you with a broad speed range, so you can complete just about project with the right speed for maximum precision. This lathe makes your wood-turning tasks simple, with the digital spindle indicator giving you a clear oversight of speed. A live center and spur center are also included, while the 3.75-inch faceplate and knockout bar make this a complete wood lathe solution. The Grizzly Industrial T25920 also features a large tool rest for keeping your chisels and other wood-turning tools close to hand. The tool rest also features a quick release function, while the tailstock tapers also allow for easy adjustment. The heavy-duty cast iron build will also provide you with a very stale base on which to carry out wood-turning tasks. However, this is slightly limited in that it is a benchtop model. If you would prefer a more substantial lathe with a stand, think about spending a little bit more money on premium alternatives from Grizzly, such as the G0842 or G0838. Number 4. Jet JWL 1221 VS Wood Lathe. The Jet JWL 1221 VS is definitely cheaper than some woodworking lathes in our list, but it delivers some very impressive features that make it one of the more effective pieces of machinery. This variable speed wood lathe provides you with a very broad speed range to make use of, allowing you to carry out a wide variety of wood-turning tasks. The spring-loaded spindle lock also provides you with reliable clamping performance, allowing you to work for considerable periods of time, without the worry of materials coming loose as you work. All essential controls are located within close proximity to the digital readout display, allowing you to monitor the performance of your lathe at all times. This lathe also features a patented ratchet-style belt tension system, which provides you with maximum reliability when it comes to securing your preferred belt position in place. You can also move from forward to reverse turning smoothly, protecting the surface of your workpieces from being exposed to unwanted friction. The pulley system is also versatile enough that it can be fully utilized by both the beginner and professional, with the 3-step pulley particularly handy for the more experienced user. With 24 indexing positions, you also have sufficient variety to deploy a huge range of wood-turning techniques. Number 5. Shop Fox W1704 Benchtop Wood Lathe. The Shop Fox W1704 is a good choice for beginners looking to tackle their first wood-turning projects. This benchtop lathe boasts a cast iron construction, making it almost as robust and durable as a complete lathe with a stand. The 1/3 horsepower motor provides you with decent speeds, with a range of 700 to 3,200 RPM. This makes this lathe more than suitable smaller work pieces, especially if you are working with particularly soft wood material. The user-friendly faceplate also makes it simple to fix your workpieces in place, while a safety paddle switch means you can quickly bring your lathe to a stop to protect material from becoming damaged. The fairly compact size of this lathe also makes it suitable for those with limited space to work with. Despite this, the robust housing means you can expect similar functionality to a more advanced model. However, this is certainly one best reserved for beginners or those with smaller projects planned.
That's all from my end. I make helpful videos, so do subscribe to my YouTube channel. If you need more information or if you want to know the product's price, do check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay updated with our cool products as it will make your life much easier.